Alright, let's dive into the world of solar charge controllers. These often overlooked devices are the unsung heroes of any solar power system, diligently working to keep your batteries healthy and prevent them from turning into expensive paperweights. They act as the crucial intermediary between your solar panels and your batteries, ensuring a safe and efficient flow of energy. Without them, you risk damaging your batteries, significantly shortening their lifespan, and ultimately wasting a good portion of the solar energy you're generating. When it comes to solar charge controllers, you've essentially got two main players in this game: PWM, which stands for Pulse Width Modulation, and MPPT, or Maximum Power Point Tracking. Each type has its own unique way of managing the energy flow from your solar panels to your batteries, and understanding their differences is key to choosing the right one for your specific needs. PWM controllers are the simpler, more traditional option. Think of them as simple on-off switches that clamp your solar panel's voltage down to match your battery's voltage. While this method is straightforward, it's not the most efficient. PWM controllers typically operate at around 75% efficiency, meaning that a quarter of the power generated by your solar panels is essentially lost in the conversion process. This lost energy translates to slower charging times and less overall energy available for your appliances and devices. MPPT controllers, on the other hand, are the more sophisticated and efficient choice. These smart devices actively track the maximum power point of your solar panels, constantly adjusting the voltage and current to extract the most power possible. They then convert any extra voltage into usable current, boosting the charging efficiency. With MPPT controllers, you can expect efficiencies of up to 97%, significantly reducing energy waste and maximizing the performance of your solar system. The benefits of MPPT controllers become even more pronounced in colder climates. In cold weather, solar panels tend to produce higher voltages. MPPT controllers are particularly adept at harnessing this extra voltage and converting it into usable current, allowing them to deliver up to 45% more power compared to PWM controllers under the same conditions. This can make a significant difference in your system's performance during the winter months when sunlight is often scarce. While PWM controllers typically have a lower upfront cost, it's important to consider the long-term financial implications. For anything bigger than a very small basic setup, the increased efficiency and power output of MPPT controllers will often pay for itself over time through increased energy production and reduced reliance on the grid. The payback period will vary depending on your specific system size, energy consumption, and local electricity rates, but in many cases, MPPT controllers offer a compelling return on investment. So when should you opt for a PWM controller? If you're working with a very small system, have a tight budget, and live in a hot climate where solar panel voltage is less of a concern, then PWM might be a suitable choice. However, for most other applications, especially larger systems or those in colder climates, choosing MPPT is the way to go. You'll get better overall performance, maximize your energy production, and enjoy significant long-term savings. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual circumstances. But understanding the key differences between PWM and MPPT controllers will empower you to make the best choice for your solar power needs.